Good morning. It is Sunday, the 24th of September, 8 o'clock a.m. 8 a.m. Do I look like crap or what? Well, I feel the way I look. I've been sick all week. I did work on Monday, but I already didn't feel great on Sunday. My throat was sore. Tuesday I felt worse, and Wednesday I felt even worse. It just kept going after that. I think it's like a throat infection is how you'd say it in English. It's also kind of mixed with kind of like flu-ish symptoms and or cold. I don't know. Anyway, I've had a very bad throat infection and it has been killing me, but we're doing a bit better, and I actually have to work tomorrow. I really hope I can, and I look like crap. I've been in bed since Wednesday, but today we're not just gonna lay in bed all day. We're just gonna kind of reset, like wash my sheets, take a shower, take a walk, but we're still gonna take it slow and easy because I'm not at my best. Definitely not. Let's go get breakfast.
I don't know what you see. Hope we feel the same. I feel 100 degrees when you call my name. And I don't know what you see. Hope we feel the same. If I could show you, I'd hope that you would see all the possibilities.
We're still alive. I took a nice hot shower. I definitely noticed that I'm still kind of weak. It's almost time for lunch again. But first I'm gonna change my sheets, put all my whites in the washing machine. I wanted to take a walk, but I think I'm gonna do that after I ate, because I think it might be just a little bit better. Okay, let's change my sheets.
Then, at least this is an okay barn for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you.
Bed is done for as far as I can do now. The rest is still in the laundry, of course, because I just turned it on. It's almost time for lunch, but I'm so not hungry. I'm just gonna read a little. Love the closet in the background. I've been reading Truly Devious and Book Lovers. I've been reading this one for quite some time. I just didn't read much in it the past few weeks. I just finished the Inheritance Games. I was kind of in like a reading slump, so I decided that I wanted to finish Inheritance Games in like a week while I was only halfway through. But I did, and then like literally the day I finished it, my grandma bought me this book. So I instantly started this one, and now we're like 2 weeks. Yeah, it's been 2 weeks and I've almost finished it. So yeah, I've been mostly reading this and the Inheritance Games, and this one's kind of been like collecting dust. This week I started reading it again. I'm at page 158 of 416, and I also have part 2 and 3 because it's a series of 3. So yeah, it's interesting, and I do want to keep reading. For this one, I really wanted to read an Emily Henry book because I know there's a lot of hype around her books, like Happy Place. So Happy Place is fairly new, but Beach Read, of course. Beach Read is also very popular. I just knew there was a lot of hype around her books, so I thought let's just read one. But I really like it so far. It's very easy to read. It's not too heavy. It's just kind of lightweight, but still with, you know, some real life problems. items in it. It's not one of those books that I just cannot put down, you know what I mean? Like, I miss that. Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover, I could not put down. I finished it in 1 week, which is really fast for me. And also The Outsiders, I read in a week. Better Than the Movies was also one that I just didn't want to put down and I just wanted to keep reading. But I miss that. One of those books that you just don't want to put down and you just want to keep reading. I haven't had that in a while. I believe I read Better Than the Movies at the beginning of this year, and ever since I have not had a book like that. Do you guys have any books that you just could not put down, that you just wanted to keep reading? Yes, please let me know. I know it's different for everyone, but still, some books are just really hyped for a reason. Which book am I gonna read? I think Truly Devious. This week I've really been in a murder mystery type book. Okay, let's read.
Without you now, I've waited for a lifetime for you.
I'm done with reading for now. I just want to show you something, by the way. Look at that! I thought it was so fun! I wanted to put lights up here, but I have these lights and they're so incredibly long, so I like did this edge and then I was like, I still have so much left, so I thought I'm just gonna go around and it kind of like stops somewhere there. But it's so cute, especially when it's dark. It really gives a lot of light, so it's so fun for in the evening. I think I'm just gonna go take a walk outside. The weather's really nice. Okay, shoes. It honestly looks like I've been bit by a vampire. It looks like something like, you know, but it's such a weird place for that. Such a weird spot, but it's fine. Okay, let's go take a walk.
On the lawn, and your hand-me-down card feels so far away, away. All that I say,
I look like crap. But that's okay. So everyone's saying that I'm perfect and that I always look good. I'm not perfect and I don't always look good. Anyway, I'm back from my walk. Bella took over my reading spot. I can't sit there. I need to order a new phone case because I'm gonna get a new phone, but I like to order my phone cases from AliExpress. It takes like a week or so to come in, so I should order it already because I don't know exactly when I'm gonna get the new one because it's like sold out everywhere. I should order that, and then I think I'm just gonna play some games. Okay, wait a second, I have to tell you about this because this is just outrageous. But okay, I recently ordered some more items for Mia Style, and with it I ordered this. I ordered this cute sweater in pink. I thought it was adorable. I'd seen it a couple of times already. I thought, let's just order it this time. I get my order and I'm looking through it and I'm like, what is this color? What is this that I bought? And I unpack it and I'm like, I did not order this. Like, what? I was so confused. And then I looked in the app at what I ordered. And then I realized what it was supposed to be. Look at this. This is a picture of what it looks like on. Does it look alike in any shape, way, form? No, not at all. Just the model and everything. It's so tiny. It's so short. It's so weird. It's really weird. I'm not often disappointed by what I get from Mia Style. Like, most of the time I like the stuff that I get. Sometimes, yes, it's a little different from what you expected or what the picture would look like, but not like this. This is really disappointing. This is not what I ordered. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I don't know if I could like sell this, maybe. I hope so. The rest of the order was really fun, so that's good, but still. Anyway, let's go buy a phone case.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. 'Cause when all of my dreams you're crystal clear.
I think I'm gonna end the video here. I ordered a phone case from AliExpress and some other stuff. I played Fae Farm, the new game that is out on Switch, which is really fun. And I just had dinner, and I'm not gonna do anything else interesting, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, and I hope I will see you in my next video.